Welcome back to the Microlearning Institute. In this tutorial, we're going to seek to understand how value is created within organizations. And to understand this, we're going to use a model called Porter's value chain. A value chain is a set of activities that an organization carries out to create value for its customers. The way in which value chain activities are performed determines costs and affects profits. So this tool, the value chain, can help to understand the sources of value for an organization. Porter's value chain focuses on systems and on how inputs are changed into the outputs that are consequently purchased by the customer. Using this viewpoint, Porter described a chain of activities common to all businesses, and he divided these activities into primary and support activities. Visually, Porter's value chain is presented as follows. Along the primary chain, we have activities such as inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and customer support and service. These activities are called the primary activities of the organization. Now, supporting these are support activities, and these include procurement, technology development, human resource management, and what Porter terms the firm infrastructure. The primary activities relate directly to the physical creation, sale, maintenance and support of the product or service that's operated by the company. They consist of inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and customer service. Let's look at the first one of these, which is inbound logistics. These are all of the processes relating to receiving, storing, and distributing the inputs to the organization. Supplier relationships are a key factor in creating value here. Now let's look at the second of the primary activities, which is operations. These are the transformation activities that change inputs into outputs that are sold to customers. Operational systems create value for the organization. Looking at outbound logistics now, these are the activities that deliver the product or the service to the customer. These are things like collection, storage and distribution systems, and these may be internal or external to the organization. Marketing and sales refers to the processes that persuade clients to purchase. The benefits and how well the company communicates these benefits are sources of value in this primary activity. Service are the activities relating to maintaining the value of the product or service to the customer once it has been purchased by the customer. Now let's look at the support activities, and these support the primary activities. These include procurement, human resource management, technology development, and infrastructure. Each support or secondary activity can play a role in each primary activity. So for example, procurement supports operations with certain activities, but it also supports marketing and sales with other activities. Procurement is what the organization does to get the resources it needs to operate. This includes sourcing vendors and negotiating suitable contracts. Human resources is how well a company recruits, hires, trains, motivates, rewards, and retains its workers. People are a significant source of value, so businesses can create a clear advantage with good HR practices. Technology relates to the activities in managing and processing information, as well as protecting a company's knowledge base. Minimizing IT costs, staying current with technological advances, and maintaining technical excellence are sources of value creation here. The infrastructure refers to a company's support systems and the functions and resources that allow the company to maintain daily operations. Accounting, legal, admin, and general management are examples of necessary infrastructure that businesses can use to their advantage. Warehouse and offices are physical infrastructure of further examples of this. The value chain can be extended to identify what Porter refers to as a value network. And this value network refers to organizations. So here we have the organization's value chain, but the organization's value chain is supported by a number of suppliers, each of whom have their own individual value chains. And the organization sells its products into a number of different channels, each of whom has their own value chain. And consequently, from those channels, final customers purchase these products. And of course, these customer businesses equally have their own individual value chain. So all of these individual company value chains add up to what Porter referred to as a value network of activities. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial from the Microlearning Institute in relation to the value chain by Michael Porter.